Alright guys, it's always good to have you back here in this channel. I am Pay Value Forex Academy. I'm here to show you another powerful strategy that you can use to trade the volatility indices, alright? But I have tried this out with VIX 75, and this is I'm using it now to trade. This is a live account, right? This is a live account. This is a live trade running, alright? You can see already. So I'm using it now to trade VIX 51x, alright? I've also tried this out with step index, and you know these three pairs I just listed their names now. They are very volatile. So you want to trade them and make money. There are trades that are capable. There are pairs that are capable of making you rich. At the same time, if it goes the wrong way, they can also blow off your account in a very short time. All right. So these pairs are pairs that you need to apply the necessary things. You need to follow up the necessary things so you don't get it wrong. All right. So here now I'm talking about how you can trade these pairs successful. All right. So before I go further on that, I want to say to you to please subscribe to this channel and like the video of this channel and leave some good comments and turn your notifications on so you can easily be notified on each video I drop here, all right, on this channel. All right, so you can do all of that, so you can at least use that to pay me back. Okay, all this while I've been dropping boom and crash strategy on this channel, so I let it not look as if I can't do another good strategy. So that's why I'm dropping this one. I had to make some research on this one, and I had to bring up this one now. Okay, this is me trading VIX 51x. Okay, so do subscribe to this channel and follow up whatsoever you're going to be seeing here in this video. And I also want to let you know that this is also a trade that has to do with the price actions. Okay, price action is very, very important here. So you need to trade based on the price. Okay, you need to trade based on the price action, what the price direction of the market is. You can see I have this blue line across the chart. Okay, this helps us to follow up the market, the trend of the market. This blue line across, this moving average across the main chart, it helps us to follow up the trend of the market, right? So it also gives us the place to, you know, it gives us a nice entry where we can place our Excel. All right, so like this one I'm trading here now, you can see here, let me turn the screen so you can see it very well. Here you can see now, this is where I have my Excel, and I have this Excel here because of this blue line across my main chart, this moving average. So what is my aim of trading here now, entering a trade here now? I want to see once it breaks through this line across this main chart, like what happened here, like at this point here. All right, please subscribe to this channel and like the video, okay? And I also have some programs that I run here, that account management programs and a mentorship and the VIP group too. Okay, so if you are our subscribers, we are also having good time for it on this trade. As this trade is going on, you are trading on the signal and making money too. So if you are one of our subscribers, you'll be trading on any signals I drop on that group. You trade on it and make money. Okay, so our subscribers over there in our VIP, they are also making this money. Remember, this pair is very volatile. So if you get it right, you can use a good lot size and enter a trade and make money, even if you don't wish to hold the trade for a long time. So just to get it right, once it runs some time, you see some good profit that you can close out if you wish to close out. But again, I won't advise you to trade that way. You need to follow up the rules. Okay, you trade based on your equity and also learn how to apply risk management, right? Apply risk management. Okay, don't over leverage your account. Apply risk management. You know where the locks that you're using here. All right. So here now I have this condition to meet up. So this place now, sorry, right? So you can see once it gets to this point here, okay? Once it crosses this line, so I can place a trade, all right? I can place a trade. And again, I also need to look out for this condition too. You see here, what I have here, this is 15-minute time frame although, but we are using 5-minute time frame for our entering time frame, right? This is 15-minute time frame. So you also need to watch out for this line across the indicator window one, all right? So this is this blue line to drop to this overbought region. This is the overbought region. This 20 and 10 is the overbought region. So you don't just wait for this line to drop to this line. You also wait for the red line to also drop at this overbought region too. It makes it more complete. All right. By then you must have also see this condition here meet in our main chart. All right. So you can place your Excel somewhere and then have your TP placed somewhere. Then you can go, once you see this from your higher time frame, this is a 15-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, you can go to 5-minute time frame, which is your entry time frame. This is 5-minute time frame, is our entry time frame. All right. So once you see that condition, and let me turn the screen down so you can also see it very well. Okay. So once you see this condition here, meet up this condition here. Okay. See here now. We enter the trade from here, and you see these two lines dropped along this area, right? These two lines. The blue line dropped down here, and the red line also dropped along this overbought region. So what you do is to place a trade while you also confirm here. You have this confirmation down here too, that this is above, the trend have gone above this main line on our chart, so you can place a trade and have your SL placed down here. All right. So that is how this one works. So powerful. So if you want to join the VIP group, you can subscribe to. You can check us out through as you're saying this video, go to the description of this video. You are going to get all my contact links there where you can reach out to me. Or the VIP group is where you trade on my signal. As I drop signal on that group, you click on it. You type on it and you enter the trade, because the SL will also be dropped, the TP will also be dropped there too. All right, so as time goes on, the trade goes on, I also communicate with my VIP subscriber and tell them how the market looks like. So for those of them that cannot hold on, because this is not a business for greedy people, it's a business for, profit. Once you see the profit, you can take. Sometimes you don't actually need to wait for the profit to hit the profit. All right, so you just accept what you see as a profit and then leave the market. All right, so because we're here for a profit, and now with this condition now, what we'll do now is to also bring up our SL above our entry. All right, above the entry here. Okay, I can come back and place this SL here. Okay, so that even if there's a retrace, all right, there's a retrace, I won't end up lost. On how it looks like we are going to close that with something, all right? Since it is like this, I can bring up the Excel above the entry and place it down here. So even if there's a drawdown, we won't lose it all right? We'll get something home. Okay, that's how this one works. So if we talk about mentorship, I'm going to guide you up on how you can trade successfully, how you can apply, watch out for a candlestick, you trade by time, okay? You trade by time. You see the candlestick, when the market is on downtrend or when the market is ranging, you trade by all of that. Okay, mentorship, I will take my time and tell you all of that, all right? I'll take my time and analyze all of that for you if you are interested. You want to join mentorship, that's what mentorship will help you and help you know how to trade successfully, place your trade at every comfort zone you want to trade. You want to see if you have a clear chart that this market you feel this one will sell or this one will buy. You can place a trade and start making money, and in respect of wherever you are, you make money. All right, that's what mentorship also help you out for. Account management. If you want me to manage your account, okay, I can trade on your account. Whatsoever I make out from your account, I manage your account. We are splitting it by 50-50. All right, account management, that's how it works here. So you want me to manage your account for you, you can bring up your account with the details of account. It's for me to start trading with it. And in a week, I trade on your account 3 times in a week. 3 days in a week. So in these 3 days, each of the day, anything I make out, we are going to split it by 50-50. All right. So that's how account management works here. So if you're interested to join any of these programs and make money, it's all open for you. All right. So you can only get to me by my contact, which is there in the description box, so you can reach out to me. All right. So let me also show you some of the things I'm talking about, like a backtext, something I call the backtext, like what we have here. In case you are to buy here, in case you are to sell, you can see these conditions here. This is the oversold region, right? This is the oversold region in our indicator window 1. This is the oversold region, right? And here in our main chart now, so you see it has come below this. You can see the bearish candlestick as sell down, all right, selling down. So here you can have your asset placed here, all right. After breaking this line across the chart, you can have your asset placed here. Sorry, and have your trade sell down, all right. So this is also the point I'm making. You can see this down here, and you see the market. Your SL is here, and you can see the market went all the way up. So this is how it works here. It's just a powerful strategy. It's a powerful one. So this is how it works here, all right. So you do this and make money. Meanwhile, you have to go to a higher time frame and also check out the market structure. Like I've showed you already, I analyzed from the 15-minute time frame and I saw what the market looks like before I place a trade. So here now, you see what I'm saying? Or here now, see, have your Excel down here, and then you see the market went up and up and up. See, all the way from here. It went up, 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 up. You see all of that? See? So that's how it works. That's how it works. You see down here. You can see down here. All the way from here, where you enter, this is your entry. You can see this is your entry. This is your entry. This point is your entry. So this point is your entry. So it went down. Alright? So you can see that. So that's how it works here. So if you want to do this and make money. Alright, so let me take you back so I can just quickly close that here. Although I'm not scared, alright, because I know with the lot size I'm using here, right? I'm not using much lot size. I know the kind of lot size I'm using, so I'm not scared. I'm still running the profit. You can see where I enter this trade. I know it will still go up, alright? So I know before it gets to my Excel, it will soon go up. So even when I close out this video, I'm making here now. So I will bring my Excel close to this place. So even if it happens to fall back, I will not go on loss. Alright, I will take something back home. Okay. So, but I want to hold this trade to see it to the TP. Alright. So why I want to hold this trade? If anything goes wrong, I will not totally lose. I will not lose it all. I'm going something with them. So I'll get my Excel up here. Alright. So that's how it works. So you can use this on your fix 75, fix 51S and step in there. These pairs are very volatile. You can make money from these pairs. Alright. So right now, I want to say to you, subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and turn your notifications on. So saying goodbye for now.